This is my batter, and you can find the mix like I use linked within this video's description. I just use it, a little bit of olive oil and a little bit of water, put it in a mixing bowl, my washed and chopped up okra, and stir it vigorously. And you see it'll come out looking like that. Then I put it in my air fryer. Don't worry, it may look kind of clumped together here. That's perfectly fine. It should separate while you air fry it. Now keep in mind that some pieces may stick together, but for the most part it should separate. I do 390 degrees in my air fryer, and you can find it linked within this video's description, for up to 15 minutes. Again, monitor every 5 minutes or so and check the level of doneness. Now right here I've got about 6 minutes and 26 seconds remaining. You can see I took it out, I shook it. You can see everything's separated. Spray it with olive oil to give it that good golden and crispy color and texture. And then I did it a few more minutes and got it to this darker brown. Again, a matter of personal preference. You know, how crispy do you want your batter? Just cook it accordingly. But I just do 390, 15 minutes and monitor every 5 minutes until it's like I want it. Hey y'all, Captain IrixGuy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/IrixGuy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.